Paul here from EMD Motorsport, the Porsche 987. We installed the PCCMPlus. Let's have a look. So pretty much everything's back together now. If you look at the car, all the trims are back. Trims are back here. Bottom trim there's back. Side trim, pretty much everything's back. So now we're going to actually start the car up and see the actual logo. So when you start up, the car will, the logo will come up, Porsche logo, and then but because I already started the car up, we're already on the screen. So basically this is the PCCMPlus. It's available for Cayenne 955, 957, Porsche 911 older, 1978, and SC and all that, Porsche 996, 986, 987, 997, all available now from Porsche. These are all the buttons there. If you want the maps, you got to buy the extra SD card from Porsche maps, or you can just plug your phone into the USB and then plug it into your phone. So if you go plug your phone in and then Android Auto or CarPlay, or if you already pair your phone, you don't need to choose that. It will connect automatically straight away as soon as you have that. So let's go to digital radio. There you go. There's the blender beat to come up here. So if you come here to your actually dash, you get blender beats there. So basically it's talking to each other rather than the other radio I've been fitting aftermarket. They'll have something different there and something like not even displaying properly. So let's go back to here. And you can actually go to the list of radio stations in Sydney, and you can download which one you want by basically just hitting there. So if you want the actual, say you want Fun Classic, just press on that one there. So you can pick a spot. So pick number 5 to store it, and basically you're there already. So it's a lot of radio stations. Look at that. There's a million of them. Basically you got to scroll through and then pick which one you want, and you set it up. So that's radio. Bluetooth, you just got to go to Bluetooth on your phone and pair it to this PCM. And once you do that, you get all your contacts there, and you go to phone, and it will come up here which phone is actually you want to delete. So that's the customer's phone. So I'll delete my one because I don't need my one there. Delete that one there. So. And then you go to phone, text basically contacts are here. Go to your contacts, calls, keypad. It's basically like a new toy. Go back, that's the back button. You can just go home. You can go to car. You can actually go to here and then select which field that you want to be on there. So you can go time, consumption, average speed. It's a lot of stuff that you can actually choose from. You get a little booklet as well from Porsche of how to actually use your PCCM Plus. So Porsche Classic Communication Management Plus. So that's the old, let me put the light on. So that's the old PCM on the floor. Basically that's the old one there. So basically just a simple one, and that's the new one there. So okay, so yeah, so you got a navigation, go back, you go home, you can adjust the sound as well, equalizer as well, media, you can put your media as a USB or Bluetooth for your phone. So you can put up a USB there and actually play your phone, your music, or you can play it for your phone in the Bluetooth media. The only thing is not Bluetooth is your maps. So that's why you got to actually connect the phone here to your phone, and then leave your phone there, and then you will go into Waze as well, or whatever map that you want to use at the time. Okay. So go back home. It's got the time at the bottom there. Basically got the time the same as the car time. And it's a lot of, look, if you have spare cash, if you have a 986 or 996 and it's something spare money lying around, invest it into one of these 987, whatever car you have. Invest that money into a PCCMPlus to enjoy it more than doing anything else. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching, guys. And then please subscribe to my channel. to keep it growing so I can do more stuff like this.